You want to try it again? So they junked this Volvo this morning because they put new plugs and wires and a fuel pump on it and just couldn't get it to run. And like all good old Volvos, the wiring gets brittle. Every one of them I've worked on, the wiring ends up getting brittle on it. And the connections were being pulled out of the relay. They weren't making a contact anymore. I put them back in there, wrapped it in tape, taped it to the ABS module, threw a battery in it, and look, she's alive. Oh, and it sounds like a beautiful old Swedish brick. Go ahead and make a circle and let's see what happens. So they use the Ford, keep it revved up when you go to put it in gear. So they used the Taurus to push this thing in here. So as you can see, it took a rough hit. That and then the loader pushed it off the scale for us. Look at it go! Dude, we got brake lights still. Oh, it's epic. Dude, I'm telling you, Volvos are the best. I don't know why I haven't added another one to my fleet yet. Dude, it sounds mint. Huh? Both of them! Both of them! Keep going! Keep going! Yeah! Oh, both of them! What now?
The radio just came on. This whole Panasonic radio works.
Alright, the old man's coming up with his Moldsmobile. Well, good.
Make him feel it.
We gotta have a radio. Donuts! Oh my god! Dude, it just dropped and was peeling tires. I saw. Hey, rev it up. I think it's got a cat delete on it. It's awfully loud. Have you heard the exhaust? Like from the very back, it's got a really distinctive. One more time. Doesn't sound half bad for a brick.
I don't know where all these people went. I kind of want to take it as fast as I can back to there.
With all that rain, you're not going to turn. That's pretty freaking sweet. Now we got to figure out how we're going to paint it.
I don't know how we got about it.
Alright guys, we're about to run out of camera time, so I appreciate you all for watching. We'll upload some more videos on our newfound junkyard Volvo as soon as we can. I think this guy's going to be around for a long time. I mean, after all, it's an old Volvo, and Volvos don't die. Just one little loose wire. Okay. Volvo.